Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Usumbun Menteri Rangba kejala ubak Preston Tensong ulupan pau badai ban kembet napang ya kino ki badan keti hakabak hayito ya udawyong lada ka sorkar kalap ya kisebut ki babiang haka jingikiran bat kilat pathai kubor haka khandai terik urisau arajar arpo ubak Preston Tensong ulukan tu ki pait ba nong snong jong kejala lada ki yo ya kisebut ki babiang bakidon ki bak hayito ya udawyong kidai pan ajing tip syaka sorkar bakan sele ya kabadon kam katkum ki kendon ain kani kejingkran jong ba Preston kalong sisngi hadin baka sengsan pertai BJP kabai trailang hapo ke sorkar jela balayalam daga kenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kaladawa baka daiban kemno ya umenteri jong ketenat sam boarding ke jela u James PK Sangma halor ke jingkno ba udai badan keti haka ba penyat ya ke kam khayi doyong be an ha ke jela
allegation made in the form of statement in the media, I think that is wrong. If you have any facts, if you have hard facts, please don't shy away to come straight to the government. Come to the room of deputies here. Because see, I'm just telling you we are here to serve the people of the state, number one. Then number two, from day one itself, when we took over the government, we said very clearly, and the principle that we have as MDA government is against the illegalities. We are against the illegalities. So therefore, be it BJP, be it anybody, I would request the concerned people who easily inform the allegation in the form of press statement or something. I think that is not a solution. Let me reiterate one thing. If you have any kind of justification or any hard facts that so and so has done this, that, please come to the government. The door is always open, and then action will be taken accordingly.